Good day once again, my wonderful family of friends and farmers. To my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you. And for those that wish to subscribe to my channel, please smash the subscribe button. Today we are going to continue the series Ginger Benefits Part 3. Ginger relieves nausea and upset stomach. Whether it's in the form of motion sickness, whether it's in the form of migraine headaches, whether in the form of morning sickness or general stomach problems or upset, ginger helps calm an upset stomach. It does so with its anti-inflammatory properties, better digestive responsiveness, and hormones that regulate blood pressure and calms the human body. Ginger may also help with cancer. Some studies on ginger has shown that some of the benefits of Gingerol may prevent some cancers. While it is not a cure, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties helps to protect the human body. Ginger is also a safe option to reduce the symptoms of nausea and pain, often associated with cancer treatments. When undergoing chemotherapy, adding ginger to your diet helps to combat the treatments and side effects of nausea or dizziness. That's going to be all for today's video on the Ginger Benefits Part 3 of the series. Please, I oblige you all to please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And also, you can like this video and also suggest this video to your friends and families. Until we see in part 4 of this series of ginger benefits, please keep eating healthy foods that comes from the farm. Bye-bye.